Hello friends, welcome to Unified Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 21st December. Let's start. In the year of 1550, on this day Man Singh, the chief Rajput chief of Emperor Akbar, was born. In the year of 1881, on this day Sundarlal Sarma, rich in versatility, a pioneer of social revolution and a mass awakener in the state of Chhattisgarh, was born. In the year of 1891, on this day, Thakur Pyarelal Singh, the architect of the Shramik movement and the leader of the cooperative movement, was born in Chhattisgarh. In the year of 1898, on this day, radium was discovered by chemist Pierre and Marie Curie. In the year of 1920, on this day, India's famous revolutionary Gendalal Dikshit passed away. In the year of 1923, on this day, Nepal became a completely independent country, freed from the status of a protectorate of Britain. In the year of 1931, on this day, the world's first crossword created by Arthur Wayne was published in the New York World newspaper. In the year of 1937, on this day, the first full-length and first Disney animated feature film, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, was screened. In the year of 1938, on this day, Mahavir Prasad Dwivedi, the great literature of Hindi prose literature, journalist and era legislator, passed away. In the year of 1952, on this day, Saifuddin Kichlu became the first Indian to receive the Soviet Union's Lenin Peace Prize. In the year of 1974, on this day, Sanjeev Chaturvedi, a 2002 batch Forest Service officer and a recipient of Raman Magsaysay Award in 2015, was born. In the year of 1996, on this day, Taiwanese American AIDS researcher David Ho was named Time Magazine's Person of the Year. In the year of 1998, on this day, Nepalese Prime Minister Girja Prasad Koirala resigned. In the year of 2008, on this day, Congress President Sonia Gandhi and Bollywood star Shah Rukh Khan were included in the list of 50 powerful people of the world by US magazine Newsweek. In the year of 2011, on this day, P.K. Iyengar, a well-known nuclear physicist of the country, passed away. In the year of 2012, on this day, Gangnam Style becomes the first video to have 1 million views on YouTube. In the year of 2016, on this day, Indian sports drama film Dangal, directed by Nitish Tiwari and starring Amir Khan, Fatima Sana Sheikh and Sanya Malhotra, became the first Indian film to earn $300 million worldwide. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Sports Ministry had approved the inclusion of 4 indigenous sports in the 2021 edition of the Khelo India Youth Games to be held in Haryana. The new sports included in the tournament are Katka, Mallakhamba, Thang Ta and Kalaripayattu. In the year of 2020, on this day, former US President Donald Trump was awarded the Legion of Merit Award for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's role in advancing the US-India strategic partnership. The award was received by Indian Ambassador to the US Taranjeet Singh Sandhu on behalf of PM Modi. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Union Ministry of Power, R.K. Singh, had prepared the new Electricity Rules 2020. These rules provide for the rights of consumers and the obligations of distribution licensees. The distribution licensee shall supply electricity round the clock to all the consumers. In the year of 2020, on this day, Central Bank of India, in association with the National Payments Corporation of India (NPCI), had launched a unique variant of contactless debit card named Rupee Select. Establishment of Central Bank of India, 21 December 1911. Establishment of National Payments Corporation of India in 2008. In the year of 2020, on this day, Union Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar released a report titled Status of Leopard in India 2018. There are now 12,852 leopards in India as of 2018 as compared to the previous estimate of 7,910 done in 2014. The states of Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra have recorded the highest leopard estimates at 3,421 in Madhya Pradesh, 1,783 in Karnataka, and 1,690 in Maharashtra. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.